The MARSBalloon project is a STEM outreach project launching experiments up to 30 kilometres. We're in a field out in the Mendips. We're here to have a good launch location. It's kind of away from towns and people, a good open area, so we can get a good launch and landing without interacting with much else. The experiments have been sent in by primary and secondary school students all across the UK.
By reaching 30 kilometres in altitude, we simulate some of the environment of Mars, elevated radiation, lowered pressure and temperatures, things like that. And it gives students an idea of how different household objects or otherwise would behave when they're on Mars.
One school sent in a COVID test, so they wanted to see the effects that altitude would have and the Mars atmosphere would have on a COVID test. So the Kinder Eggs was a genius idea actually. It appeals to the kids because they can eat the chocolate before they do the experiment, but it's also really easy to obtain and it's perfect size. So it gives you a small little lightweight package which you can do a little test in.
There's a shortage of engineers generally, particularly ones who have the right qualifications, and getting involved at a young age is a really critical thing.
It's important to inspire the next generation of engineers and scientists who are going to tackle the problems for the future.
3, 2, 1, release!
Woo! The balloon's going to go up for about 2 hours. It's then going to pop and descend. We're tracking it with a GPS tracker that's fed by the Iridium GPS network. So we're about 10 miles from the launch site. The balloon's landed in a farm on top of a barn, actually. We've managed to get in touch with the landowner and have successfully retrieved it. So it's on its way back to the office. And then we're going to start sending the experiments promptly back to all the schools. And it's been a good success, yeah. Lots of hard work from everyone involved.